Okay, so in every company, what will be there? Or else who will be there? Employees will be there. Okay, so in the same way like economy, there are employees. Okay, so employees mindsets, all the mindsets of the employees are not the same. Okay, one person might be working very well, one person will be working maybe little less. Okay, so ala chesinapudu what will happen? The company will automatically fall into losses sometimes, it also gets into profit sometimes, but there will be ups and downs, right? Yes or no? Every company has an ups and downs. Where there is profit, there is also loss automatically. So when there is loss, that is means that, what it is meaning? When you consider a group of people as an economy, there will be ups and downs in the company. When there is a downfall of the company, then the economy of that company is said to be is in problem. Okay, then who is the person who is responsible for the problem? Or maybe the CEO, or else the manager, or else I used a particular word called proprietor. You remember in my last class only? Proprietor ante, who is the proprietor? What? Manufacturer. Invest chesedi. Okay, by the way, what is capital? Right? Okay, the investment, continue it. Capital is not just the investment. Okay, investment which is done during the starting stage of any company is called as the capital. Got it? Capital ante ఏ మనీ అయితే మనం ఒక కంపెనీ స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి పెడుతున్నామో that money is coming under capital. Okay, so the person who is giving the capital is called as the proprietor. Okay, the proprietor, remember that word proprietor, or else entrepreneur అని ఉంటుంది. Entrepreneur is a businessman. Okay, that person is the person who is responsible for all the problems in his own company, because he is the person who invested the money. Okay, so invest చేసినప్పుడు he is the person who is responsible for that problem. Then what will that person do? A problem ki what will he search for? He'll search for a solution. Okay, అతని కంపెనీ డౌన్ఫాల్ అవుతుందంటే what will he do? దానికి ప్రాఫిట్ తీసుకురావడానికి ఏదైనా కొత్తగా ఆలోచిస్తాడు, అవునా కదా? దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ మినిమం కామన్ సెన్స్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? యు లుక్ ఇంటు మూవీస్, న్యూస్ సమ్ టైమ్స్, అవునా కదా? గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినప్పుడు, ఓకే, కన్సిడరింగ్ అ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ది ఎకానమీ. ఓకే, కన్సిడరింగ్ అ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఎకానమీ. సో ఈ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్లో when there are problems occurred, okay, when there are problems occurred, ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేసే ప్రాసెస్ అండ్ సాల్వ్ అయిన ప్రాసెస్ is called economics. Got it? Got the difference between both of these words? Everyone? Okay. Managerial economics is a discipline. Economics is a discipline that deals with the applications of economics. Managerial economics is a discipline. Those people who are not there, economics is a discipline that deals with the applications of economic concepts. Economics is a discipline that deals with the applications of economic concepts, theories, tools, 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 and methodologies. You missed it. Theories, tools, and methodologies to the problems in a business. In a business. Words: discipline, Kramashikshana, that is a Telugu word. I want you to explain it in English maybe. You would at least try. Someone said way. Okay, being in an order is called as discipline. Okay, that is one meaning of discipline in English. While discipline has another meaning. Discipline ante aspects that is meaning. Okay, let me give an example. What was the example I used that day? You take this college as an economy. Okay, you take this college as an economy. In this group of people, there are different disciplines. Okay, like first one is students. Students is a discipline. Okay, and next one is the staff. All the staff are falling into one discipline. Okay, and the security. Okay, security is falling into one discipline. And the canteen staff. Okay, the canteen of the hostel and the day scholars also is falling into one discipline. Okay, and then the hostel staff. Okay, and what else? Okay, the bus drivers and the cleaners of the college. What else? You think of new ideas, man. Right? Management, the officers. Okay, what? I did not get you. Into one discipline and what else? So etc. We'll consider etc. Okay. So there are around 9 disciplines in the single economy. Okay. When you consider this college as an economy, there were 9 disciplines. Okay. So disciplines under ardhamainda? Okay. Disciplines under different kinds of aspects or different kinds of a group of people in an economy. Okay. Ardhamainda? Okay. Discipline ante what she said was one meaning. Okay. Another meaning for discipline is a group of people, maybe I could say like many groups of people. Okay, many groups of people in the sense all the students fall into one discipline, right? In this college, and the students okate discipline kinda vastaru. Okay, and all the staff will fall into one discipline. So many group of people in a single economy is called as discipline also. Okay, so we'll mainly discuss about what disciplines will be there in this managerial economics. Managerial economics is a discipline that deals with the applications of economic concepts. What I said economic concepts was, economic concepts ante entani cheppanu. Okay, economic concepts lo main ga what you find is okay, okay, I already told you what is meant by managerial economics, my way of definition. What was that? Managerial economics ki, I told you a simple definition that day, the other day in my last class. What was that? See, I only find answers from these word managerial, management or managing. Okay, so and economics ante what I said? What I said? Problem solving in an economy is called as economics and Japan. Okay, so managerial economics is mainly managing the economy. Okay, managing the economy is mainly the point under managerial economics. That is the main part which we will concentrate in all the syllabus which is coming under managerial economics. So since I said managerial economics is managing the economy, what are coming under the managerial concepts now? Economic concepts కిందకి ఏం వస్తున్నాయి? No, organizing. I used 4 principles, right? Okay, let in. When you I've considered this class as an economy, right? And I said there was a problem occurred. Okay, so problem occur అయినప్పుడు if at all I want to solve this problem, I should have a clear idea of the problem. Okay, then I will produce a solution. Okay, will I produce only one solution? Okay, well, see, I will use this word called if. If ante emo ani, because maybe the solution which I have given for that particular problem might not be accepted by all the people. Then what should I do? I should think of an alternative, right? Alternative ante maybe the another one. Okay, ఇది కాకపోతే ఇంకేంటి అనేసి. Who's that phone? I would think of an alternative in a solution. Boys, listen. Think of an alternative for every solution. Okay, so economic concepts కిందకి ఏమొస్తాయంటే, since I said managing economics in the sense providing solutions to the problems in an economy. Okay, so our solutions ni maybe there were solutions to the problems which have been happening now in the history అంటే మరీ దూరంకి వెళ్ళిపోక్కర్లేదు. మేబీ ఇన్ యువర్ సీనియర్స్, అంటే మీ క్లాస్లో వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమే మీ సీనియర్స్కి కూడా వచ్చి ఉండొచ్చేమో. ఓకే, సో మీ సీనియర్స్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎటువంటి సొల్యూషన్ ఇచ్చారు అని తెలుసుకోవడం. సో దాట్ ఈస్ అ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్, రైట్? హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ దేర్ నౌ? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్స్, ఫేసెస్, 80 క్వశ్చన్